Working on temporalis, a lot of therapists, myself included, will use their fingers to come in and work the temporalis. The muscle goes up, around, and over, big round circle here, and that goes down underneath the cheekbone onto the mandible, onto the ramus there, underneath the cheekbone. When I'm accessing temporalis, working this way is really nice, feels really good. But I want to give you a different option where you're going to use a big, broad forearm. I'm going to bring the forearm in right above the ear. You tell me, Kristen, pressure to the posterior or pressure to the anterior?
Both feel good.
Both feel good. So I'm going to go to the center right there. Now, pressure up towards the top of the head, or pressure down towards the feet?
Down towards the feet.
She's almost wiped out. I can tell just by her response. She had a hard time responding. Is the pressure good right there?
Perfect.
There we go. I'm just hanging out. My hand is relaxed, but I can access that area. In her case, what I'm going to do is have her arm bent, and just to give a little traction through the upper back with it, I'm going to pull. How's that? Yeah, it creates a little bit of space, rolls the shoulder blade back and down, lengthens a little bit of levator scapula. What about a little jostle?
It's good.
Or is it too tense, tender?
No, it's good.
There we go. When she gives me good feedback like that, I want to encourage that as a therapist. It increases the connection, the intimacy, and the capacity for better therapeutic outcomes by feeling that Kristen is working with me on the session. It's a really, really great way to access temporalis when somebody's on their side. You could do this just as easily on a mat or on a table.